Paracetamol, friend or foe? Let's unravel the truth. Lately, social media has been buzzing with claims that paracetamol is the worst drug, causing liver and kidney damage. But is this really true? Let's set the record straight. Paracetamol is one of the most commonly used over-the-counter drugs, safe for all age groups from infants to elderly, including pregnant and lactating women. The only exception are premature babies. Like all medications, paracetamol has some side effects, but they are rare, like allergic reactions and leukopenia. But at the recommended doses, it's safe and well tolerated. How much is safe? For adults, 500 mg every 6 to 8 hours. And for children, depends on their age and weight. When does it become dangerous? Taking over 10 grams, which is equivalent to 15 to 20 tablets at once, can lead to severe toxicity, potentially causing permanent liver and kidney damage. So, is paracetamol dangerous? Only when abused. Stick to the right dose and it's a lifesaver, not a killer. How and when to use paracetamol? Paracetamol belongs to the non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug class. But here is the catch. It has negligible anti-inflammatory action. That means it won't help much with swelling or inflammation. However, it signs as an antipyretic. It's the base drug for fever, safe for all age groups and effective regardless of the cause. But remember, it won't work in heat stroke. Pain relief? But be cautious. Paracetamol is the most commonly used analgesic for headache, migraine, and musculoskeletal pain. But here is something most people don't know. Its pain relieving effect can be addictive. So, if you rely on fancy medications for headache, consider swapping them for plain paracetamol. Beware of combination drugs. Many paracetamol products come as a fixed dose combination, where multiple drugs are packed into one pill. While it sounds effective, but often irrational because you are taking extra drug unnecessarily. No added benefit over plain paracetamol. Higher risk of side effects.